Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. So today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like it. So if you like, so please guys don't forget to comment me down so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture, you can see pink color, this cotton, and the bed you can see white color, the floor, the wooden color theme, beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the mirror, you can see beautiful luxury mirror, luxury room decoration also beautiful, and the small plants. So also you can see the gold color theme, the window mirror, outside beautiful decoration, the design and the idea very beautiful. This one a luxury VIP bedroom. You can see the frames and all photos, the wall you can see the lamp and the small lights on the upside. This one you can see for girls make place. You can see the tools and all, and the bulbs you can see at the sides, and the table you can see, and this one also very beautiful. You can see on the floor roof you can see a small light like stars up on the sky, like it's beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the pink color chair, and where here you can take online class, teach someone, beautiful place. This is also good decoration. You can see the tray and all beautiful. The tools is there on the tray, and the golden color leaf you can see beautiful leaf and all good decoration. This also you can see very beautiful, the small bulbs and all, and the pink color theme, beautiful theme, good color decoration. This one in white color and silver color, very beautiful. The small bulbs you can see, and on the table, and the rose you can see pink color. This also full, everything is pink color. Actually the dress also in pink color, the floor, the mat, beautiful. And the beautiful decoration, you can see this also. You can see VIP, maybe it's any hotel, beautiful. You can see the plate and all beautiful in dark color theme, decoration and design. This also you can, this one the chair you can see the blue color, and the floor you can see grass, maybe beautiful. This one the wall you can see the lights, and up you can see the roof, the side lights, beautiful lights and all. Luxury house, beautiful luxury house mansion. This is also luxury mansion. You can see the maybe window or mirror, beautiful. You can see the bulbs and all, beautiful bulbs. This is also the pink color big table. At the side you can see white color table and all, good decoration, the cupboards and all, good idea and decoration. This is also very good. You can see the bulbs and the wall. You can the wall in pink color, the curtain also pink color, beautiful design. This one you can see the small plants is very here. You can keep books and all, beautiful books and all, good decoration and design. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, so please guys don't forget to comment me down so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care.